Hi guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how you can change your site title, your tagline, your logo and your favicon or site icon all in one step. This is helpful when you're just getting started in WordPress, and it's significantly important because it's needed for your search engine optimization, and Google looks for this when ranking your website for search results. Okay, so first we're gonna just need to log into your WordPress dashboard. Once you come into your dashboard, so there's two ways you can change your site title and tagline. If you come to settings over here, you can actually change your site title and tagline over here, but I'm going to show you another way, and then it basically you can do all the steps and change your site identity. So if we come to appearance and go to customize, just click on customize, and then it will take us to all these options, of which you're going to click the header option. In the header option we're going to click on logo. So over here we have the site identity, and in here you can change your logo, your logo size, the way the layout of your logo, your site title, tagline and your favicon or site icon. So all you have to do that is you just have to go in here and just click on select logo, and from there you can select your image for your logo, and this will be shown over there. You can adjust the size of that. You can select the layout. Do you want it the logo with your title, your logo with your title and your tagline? I'm happy with just my logo. And then for your site title you can come over here and you can type in what you want Google to show when your website is shown in Google, the results, and your tagline as well. So when you search for something on Google, for example, let's just type in WordPress, it will bring up the site title, which is this over here, and your tagline and description. So this is very important for SEO. So it's important to also use some good keywords in your title and tagline, so that when people are searching on Google, Google can actually match that to your title and tagline. And then finally you can come over here to change your site icon, and this is to change this icon over here on the tab. So you'll just click in there and you'll just change image, and you'll select the image that you want, and that's to change that image over there. And I did this with the Cadence theme, but these steps will work for any WordPress theme. Thank you guys for watching. If you found this helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel. Thank you. Bye.